My brothers and my sisters, the Nigerian government released a list of people funding terrorism in this country. And then I looked at the list to see the names of people on the list. I saw Hausa Fulani, of course. I wasn't surprised. But the one that surprised me is the Igbo names on the list. I saw names of Igbo men and women on the list. Chinaikenna. Ewa Tami Gunisi. Do you know the one that shocked me? Is the fact that I looked at that list. I did not see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's name on that list. But they told us that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a terrorist. So why is he imprisoned if his name is not on the terrorism list? Also, are they trying to tell us that those names they listed are the people sponsoring terrorism? They wrote down IPOB agitators on that list, but they did not write down Yoruba Nation agitator, Sunday and Co. on that list. The double standard. Ozodiki Ibebuna, Achomkunu nene these names. Look at these names. Which Igbo person bears Chuku Edo and Chikuka? In that list, there is someone I was expecting to see in that list. That person that always used to come out and tell us that that he used to go and negotiate with terrorists. You people know who I'm talking about, but I will not call name. Last year, when USA sent an airstrike, did they send it to Southeast? No. Where did they send it to? To the north. Sokoto. The Southeast, the Igbo land, is the most safest region in this country. I will just leave it at that.